Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how we can move an object along a path in After Effects. This is a simple but powerful technique for smooth animation. Let's get started. Start by creating a new composition, select your settings and then click OK. Add a shape layer. We'll create a shape layer using our pen tool. Select the pen tool. Create a path of your choice. Just create that's my path. Go to the shape layer, content, select the shape layer one, go to edit, copy, and then select the shape layer and then click Ctrl V. A new shape is added at the bottom, shape 2. Inside the shape 2, let's adjust the stroke. Start by color. You can change the color to anything you want. And then let's add the stroke width. Change the bat cap to round cap. And that's all for now. We'll add a trim path animator. Inside our trim path animator, let's pick our end selection, connect it with our start for it to follow the start. Now you can see our path has disappeared, is no longer visible. To solve this, open our expression. Inside this code, add 1 or any number you want, and then get out of it. You can see our shape was added at the start. To animate, let's add animation. We will add a keyframe at the start, inside our start, and then we'll move our keyframe to the last and then adjust our value to 100. Now if we move our timer back, you can see the object is moving. Let's run. Let's adjust the speed. Click the graph, and then make sure inside your camera and make sure the edit speed graph is selected. Then you can adjust the speed. Now let's try again. That is, now you know how to animate an object along a path in After Effects. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.